What is ADS-B? ADS-B stands for Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast. And why you need to know about it is that some drones, like this Mavic 2 Enterprise, is equipped with an ADS-B receiver. What does that mean? Well, first, let me explain what ADS-B is. ADS-B is used by traditional aircraft to automatically transmit information about the aircraft's position using GPS. Air traffic controllers, or anyone with an ADS-B receiver, can receive information about the aircraft's position. So when you're flying this drone, you'll be warned when traditional aircraft are entering your area, so that you can take action to avoid any chance of the drone endangering the aircraft. If you have any questions about ADS-B, give us a call, email us, or visit our website at dronefly.com. Make sure to drop a comment and let us know what you think. My name's Daniel, and I'll see you next time.